iba yung feeling no coming to this game na motivate ka ni Boss Al. So big credit talaga kay Boss sa pag-boost ng confidence sa akin. It show up today. Really need that. Yun, so yun yung game changer.
Scotty, no doubt, Scotty's been struggling a little bit, you know, and it was great to see him. You know, the thing with Scotty, he just has to stay aggressive. You know, he's such a unselfish guy. He has a tendency to overpass sometimes, and we need him to take shots, and sometimes he overpasses so much that the one time he does decide to take a shot, there's a lot of pressure on it because he hasn't taken very many. You take 10 shots, one shot of those 10 is not very much pressure. If you shoot one shot, that's all you shoot, there's more pressure on that shot. So it was good to see Scotty break out. I know he had a conversation with Alfrancis Chua last night, and you know, we call him Coach Al. Coach Al is such a great motivator. So I think he helped out in terms of getting Scotty right-minded and coming into this series. So coming into this particular game.
Unang-una talaga, thank you Lord sa panalong to, and we did really good as a team. Yun nga, yesterday morning bago yung practice, yesterday pa lang tinawagan ako ni Boss Al aga-aga pagkagising ko, so kinausap niya ako. Talagang iba yung motivation na binibigay sa akin ni Boss Al. Na-remind niya ako kung paano ako nagsimula, na-remind niya ako kung sino ako na maglaro, and then iba yung coming from Boss Al, yung words na binibigay sa akin, tapos iba yung feeling no coming to this game na motivate ka ni Boss Al. So big credit talaga kay Boss sa pag-boost ng confidence sa akin. It show up today. Really need that. Yun, so yun yung game changer.
Gusto lang yung feeling na naka-breakout ka na rin finally dun sa shooting slump?
Well, honestly, sobrang happy lang na kasi nakabalik kami sa series. I think it's a breakout, not just for me. I think breakout game sa amin as a team. So I think everybody contributed well, and yun lang yung gusto namin, makakuha ng spark today's series, and ma-shake yung series kasi yung confidence nila very high, yung moral nila very high. So good thing na natabla namin.
Scott, kanina sabi ni Coach Tim, wala raw siyang masyadong pakialam sa pogi points kung manalo man kayo ng 20 o 30, will still away. Pero para sa'yo ba, gano'n kayo importante na ganito kalaki yung kalamangan nyo sa panalo after that slow game ng last game?
Well, sa culture namin, playing kay Coach Tim for ilang years na, talagang when it comes to series, wala talaga siya, wala kaming pake kung blowout game or 1-point game, as long as a win. So for us, no pogi points, it's just a win, and ang malaking bagay lang sa amin ngayon is nakapagpahinga yung mga starters, yung mga key players, and yun yung big stretch sa amin nitong series na to is kailangan kasi talagang healthy lahat, makapagpahinga lahat, kasi we all know every other day yung game ng series, so crucial yung pahinga.
Scott, kanina parang nasiko ka ba ni Chris? Kamusta naman?
Okay naman, part of the game, talagang ganun. We all know, Cliff Hodge talagang yung laro niya, go hard kahit bearing man niya o non-bearing. So, yun nga, okay lang, kailangan part of the game.
Dok, sa aggressiveness mo sa offense, parang nakalimutan mo mag-assist. First time in a long time yung nagulat ka ba na parang hindi ka naka-assist today?
Hindi ko na sa ngayon it's not about stats na it's about kung ano yung need ng team, as long as yung team nakapag-assist, not really me having an assist. I think very crucial yung as a team, kahit di man galing sa inyo assist, basta yung score namin galing from assist.
Pero nakakapanibago ba sa'yo na...
Actually, hindi ko alam. Feeling ko may pasa naman ako, pero ngayon ko lang nalaman sa'yo. ang pangit sa pakiramdam pa.
Hindi naman.
Parang
Mas
buhay
kailangan
ako
yung
naman.
mapensa mo eh.
Hindi.
Hindi naman.
Okay lang.